Dear students, welcome you all for the video classes. In the last session, we are discussed about some of the problems which are based on area of a triangle. After that, show that the points are collinear. I think that question is very important for your annual exam. After that, find the equation of a line passing through 2 points with the help of area of a triangle method. That is nothing but determinant method. Area of a triangle with the help of determinants. In the class, today's class, we will discuss one of the important concept which is very important for further classes in case of determinant, that is minus and cofactors. Minus and cofactors. Minus and cofactors. What is the meaning of minus? And what is the definition about minus and what is the definition about cofactors? If you know the minor well, then cofactor topic is very simple or cofactor concept is very simple. All cofactor is entirely depends upon a topic that is or concept that is minus. What it tells minus? Minor of an element Aij, minor of an element Aij of a determinant is the determinant obtained by deleting its ith row and jth column. Deleting its ith row and jth column in which element Aij lies. Minor of an element of a matrix determinant which is nothing but we have to delete ith row and jth column where the prescribed element that is Aij lies. If it is lies in the first row, first column, first element, that row and that column we have to eliminate. We will discuss the same definition which is in the problem part. Then minor of an element Aij is denoted by capital Mij. Capital Mij stands for minor of an element. I and j nothing but rows and columns respectively. Then this remark is very important. Minor of an element of a determinant, minor of an element of a determinant of order n, where n greater than or equal to 2 is a determinant of order n minus 1. My question is, determinant is nothing but it depends upon the square matrices, whether it is 1 cross 1, 2 cross 2, 3 cross 3. But 1 cross 1 means a square matrix of order 1. Then the determinant minor does not take place. Means even though determinant is 1 cross 1, it is square matrix, but it has a determinant, but it does not have a minor because the definition will not allow for the 1 cross 1 matrix. That is square matrix, it has a determinant, but it does not have a minor value. But in case of 2 cross 2, 2 cross 2, 3 cross 3, 4 cross 4, those are square matrices. It has a determinant of those value square matrices have the concept of determinant, but they are having the minor after that cofactor. Therefore, minor element of a determinant of order n greater than or equal to 2 is a determinant of order n minus 1. n minus 1, but n should be greater than or equal to 2. After that, cofactor says cofactor of an element Aij denoted by capital Aij. Cofactor of an element Aij denoted by capital Aij is defined by capital Aij. Capital Aij is equal to minus 1 to the power I plus j. Capital Aij is equal to minus 1 to the power I plus j into Mij, where Mij is minor of small aij. Capital Mij is the minor of an element small aij. Minor or one more definition you may take. Minor with suitable sign is called cofactor. Minor with suitable sign. Here the I plus j means if it is A11 position is plus position. 1 plus 1 is 2. Minus 1 square is 1. Therefore, this position which is in the first row, first column, first element. In the same way, we will move with the help of the varying the values of I and j. Where it varies A11, A12, A21, A22, A31, A32 like that. If it is 3 cross 3, A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33, which are nothing but 3 cross 4 values. Cofactor and minus are very very important for finding the inverse also. Inverse of a matrix with the help of minus and cofactors are very very important. If we know the minus well, then cofactor is easy. What you are getting in the minus, you have to put the correct signs, that is positive sign or negative sign, then you get the cofactor value. Therefore, by finding the minus, you should take the precaution that how to take the minus of each and every element first. Once you get that value, we have to use this formula. Automatically you get what? Cofactors. That's why minor and cofactor which are very very nearer to each other, or correlation between minus and cofactors are there. Now we move towards one of the problem part under minus. After that, problems under cofactors. Example, find the minor of element 6 in the determinant delta is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What we have to find out? Minor of 6 in the determinant A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Minor of 6 which is equal to minor times divided by what? Mij. Mij is nothing but minor. Here A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23. Therefore M23, which is equal to, we have to delete this row, we have to delete this column, we have to delete where element 6 lies. What you have to do? Our job is to do that. We have to eliminate this row and this column where the element 6 present. Therefore, what are the values? We have to eliminate this row. What are the remaining values? And this row and this column, which is nothing but 1, 2, 7, 8. 1, 2, 7, 8. What is the value? 8. 1 into 8, correct? What you have to write? 1 into 8 minus 2 into 7, which is nothing but 8 minus 40, which is equal to minus 6, which is nothing but minus 6. After that, example, find minus and cofactors of all elements of the determinant delta is equal to 1 to 4 minus 2 3. Solution: minor of 1 which is equal to M11, which is equal to, we have to eliminate this row, this column and this row, means 3. Minor of minus 2 is equal to M12, which is equal to what? 4. Correct? This element we have to eliminate, means that opposite value is 4. And minor of 4, which which is equal to m21, which is nothing but -2, minus of minor of 3, m22, which is equal to 1. m22 is equal to 1. These are the minor values. Then what about the cofactors? Now our job is to find out the cofactors with the help of signs, whether the place is positive or negative. Our job is to find out. What is the cofactor? Cofactor is nothing but minor with suitable sign. What we have find out? We have found the values of minors of each and every elements. Then that value we have to, before the value of numbers, we put a positive sign or negative sign. That means that minor is nothing but eliminate ith row and jth column where the element aij lies. But cofactor is nothing but minor with suitable sign. Then I will find out cofactors. Correct? Cofactor of 1, which is equal to a11, capital A11, which is nothing but plus into 3, which is nothing but plus 3. Minor with suitable plus 1. Here there is a place is plus place, minus plus. That's why 3. Cofactor of -2, a12, which is equal to -4, which is nothing but -4. Cofactor of 4, which is equal to a21, which is equal to plus minus of -2, which is equal to plus 2. Minus of -2 is equal to plus 2. Cofactor of 3, a22, which is equal to plus minus plus of cofactor of 3, that is nothing but 1, which is equal to 1. These are nothing but cofactors of individual elements of the order 2 cross 2. After that we will take one of the important point for the sake of our examination point of view, that is example, find minus and cofactors of the elements of the determinant delta is equal to 261 minus 305 54 minus 7 and verify that a11 a31 a12 a32 plus a13 a33, which is equal to 0 is equal to 0. Dear students, before finding the any values, our job is to know what is the meaning of small a11 and capital A31 or capital A32. Correct? The small a11, a12, a13 are nothing but values. a11, a12, a13, a21, a22, a23, a31, a32, a33. Small values a11, a12, a13 are nothing but what? Elements. Then what are the capital A, capital A, capital A? Yes, those capital A's are nothing but cofactors, not minus. But what is our knowing factor? Before finding the cofactor, our job is to find minus, and then we apply the suitable signs. Therefore, first our job is to find A31. Here A31 means cofactor of A31 means what? This value. Correct? Cofactor of 1 is equal to A31 A31 is equal to plus minus plus position. This we have to eliminate. Minus 3 5 0 4, which is equal to minus 3 into 4 minus 5 into 0, which is nothing but minus 12. Minus 12. After that, cofactor of 5, which is equal to A32, which is equal to minus plus minus. This we have to eliminate. 2564. The students again look at A32 means this place. This we have to eliminate. Correct? What it remains? 2564, which is nothing but minus 4. 2 into 4 becomes 8. 2 into 4 is 8 minus 30, which is equal to minus 22, which is nothing but what? Plus 22. Minus of minus plus 22. After that, A cofactor of A33, which is equal to plus minus plus. This is nothing but 2 minus 3 6 0, which is equal to plus into 0 minus 80. Correct? 2 into 0 is 0. Minus is the original minus. 6 into 3 minus 8, which is nothing but what? Plus 18. Now, consider the LHS. A11 A31 plus A12 A32 plus A13 A33, which is equals to, what is the value of A11? A11 is nothing but 2, correct? A11 is 2. 2 into A31 is what? A31 is minus 12 plus. After that, A12, what is the value of A12? A12 is minus 3 into A32. A32 is nothing but what? 22. A13 is what? 5 into A33. A33 is nothing but here, there will be 18, which is nothing but minus 24 minus 66 plus 90, which is nothing but 24 plus 60. 60 plus 24 becomes 84. 84 plus 6 becomes minus 90 plus 90, which is equal to 0, which is nothing but our RHS. Find minus and cofactors of the elements of the determinant and verify that A11. These are the some values. We have taken this value. Find minus and cofactors of the elements of the determinants. This I have proved the last part, but I will take one by one minus and cofactors of. Now we are going to find out the minus of each and every element. Correct? Answer is 0. Now we are going to find out minus and cofactors of each and every elements. Now minus minor of 2, which is equals to 0 4 5 minus 7, or you better you write M11, correct? Minor of M11, which is nothing but 0 4 5 minus 7, which is equal to 0 minus 20, which is equal to minus 20. After that, minor of minus 3, M12 is nothing but this value 641 minus 7, which is nothing but minus 42 minus 4, which is nothing but minus 46. Minus 46. Minor of 5, which is equal to M13, which is nothing but 6015, which is nothing but 13 minus 0, which is nothing but 13. Next, minor of 6 is nothing but M21, which is nothing but what? Minus 3, 5 minus 7, 5 minus 7, which is equal to 21 minus 25 minus 4. Correct? Minor of 6. This row we have to eliminate. This column at minus 3, 5 minus 7. That is minus 4. After that, minor of 0, M22, which is nothing but this eliminate now. This we have to eliminate. 251 minus 7 minus 14 minus 5 minus 19. Correct? Cofactor of 0. This we have to eliminate. This we have to eliminate. Minus 7, 251 minus 7. After that, cofactor of 4, M23, 2 minus 3, 1, 5, which is equal to 10 plus 3, 13. 10 plus 3 becomes 13. After that, cofactor of 1, which is equal to M31, which is nothing but 3504, which is equal to minus 12. Correct? Cofactor of 5, M32, after that 2564, 8 minus 30, which is minus 22, Cofactor of minus 7, M33, which is nothing but 2 minus 3, 60, 0 plus 18, which is equal to 18. 2 into 0, 0. 6 into minus 18, minus of minus becomes plus 18. These are some minors. After that, cofactors. Cofactors we have to find out minor with suitable sign. Now we have to find out cofactors. Cofactor of 2 is equal to plus with minor. What is plus? 0, 4, 5 minus 7, 5 minus 7, which is equal to 0, minus 20, which is equal to minus 20. Cofactor of minus 3 plus minus, then what becomes this value? 641 minus 7. 641 minus 7. Minus 7 into 6 becomes minus 42. Minus 4 plus 46. After that, cofactor of 5 plus 6015 plus into, or better write 30 minus 0, which is equal to 30. 30 minus 0 becomes 30. Cofactor of 6, which is nothing but plus minus. After that, 3 minus 3, 5 minus 7. 5 minus 7, which is nothing but minus 21 minus 25, which is equal to minus 4. Sorry, minus of minus plus 4. 21 minus 25 becomes minus 4. Minus of minus becomes plus 4. After that, cofactor. Cofactor of 6 over cofactor of 0 is equal to minus plus. This row eliminate this 2 5 1 minus 7. 2 5 1 minus 7, which is equal to minus 14 minus 5, which is equal to minus 19. Cofactor of 4 plus minus 2 minus 3 1 5, 10 plus 3 minus 13 minus 13. Cofactor of 1 plus minus plus 3504, which is equal to minus 12, which is equal to minus 12. Cofactor of 5 minus this value close 2564. This eliminate, this eliminate 2564, which is equal to minus 8 minus 30, which is equal to plus 22. Plus 22. Cofactor of minus 7, plus minus plus 2 minus 3 6 0, 2 minus 3 6 0, which is equal to 0 plus 18, which is equal to 18. 2 into 0 is 0, 6 into 3 is minus 18, minus 18 minus 1 becomes plus 18. These are the some cofactor values. These cofactors and minors are interrelated with each other. I hope you are getting the point of this concept of finding the values of minors and cofactors. In the next class, we will see adjoint matrix and some of the important problems on minors and cofactors, which are very important for your 2 marks category. Thank you.